Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to stop WhatsApp calls for a specific chat without blocking the WhatsApp contact. So follow these easy steps to easily block or stop WhatsApp calling without blocking the contact. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhone. Just follow me to do it. Go ahead and launch your WhatsApp app and go to the chat or conversation and tap on the chat name, and here tap on notifications. And now if you mute the specific chat, then you won't get notifications for any chats from the conversation, but whenever the recipient make a call to you, you will get notification for the call. So this is not an exact solution to stop a specific contact calls. So all you have to make the contact notification silent. So here tap on ringtone under call section, and all you have to select silent. And this is the only way to stop or ignore any specific contact calls on WhatsApp. Once you successfully selected ringtone silent, now on, whenever you receive a call from the specific chats, your phone will know you will see a call, but your phone so all you have to need, just select ringtone silent, and that's it. Currently this is the only way to stop someone calls without blocking them. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.